If you just bought a Ubisoft game on Steam and can't find the activation code for Ubisoft Connect, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to locate your Ubisoft activation key and link your game properly, so you can start playing without any confusion. Let's dive right in. First, before you begin, make sure you're logged into both your Steam account and your Ubisoft Connect account. If you're missing either one, just quickly create an account and go through the normal setup steps. Now, let's get straight to the important part: finding your activation code inside Steam. Open Steam, head to your library, and find the Ubisoft game you just purchased. Any title like Far Cry, Assassin's Creed, or The Crew will show the same options. Once you see the game, right-click on it. From the menu, hover over Manage, and you should see an option that says CD keys or something similar like Activate with Ubisoft. Click that and Steam will pop up a small window. Inside that window is your Ubisoft activation code. This is the exact code you'll need to unlock the game inside Ubisoft Connect. Copy it. You'll use it immediately. Now switch over to Ubisoft Connect on your PC. On the top right, click on your profile icon. From the sidebar that appears, select Key Activation. This is where you paste the code you just copied from Steam. Hit Activate and boom, your Ubisoft game is now linked to your Ubisoft Connect library. Once it's activated, your game is fully unlocked and ready to download or play directly through Ubisoft Connect. Now, if for some reason your code doesn't show up in Steam or the activation fails inside Ubisoft Connect, don't panic. Issues like region locks, account syncing problems, or server hiccups happen from time to time. When that happens, you can check Ubisoft support or just drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out personally. And that's it. Super simple. If this guide saves you time and frustration, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know what guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.